Look at that. AMD finally fixed it. They have finally fixed it. Look at this. I push on the bracket, it doesn't leave. One of my main annoyances with the AM4 socket was that the bracket, when you undid it and took the plastic legs off there, these ones, this bracket here would fall down if you had to change the cooler in the case. If we go around the back here, look at that. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding that in. 1, 2, 3, 4. This baby isn't going anywhere. The amount of times that I've had to take off a cooler vertically and that back bracket has dropped and fallen straight down here, or even worse, if it's a full panel that goes all the way down, I usually sometimes have to take out the board to get to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, those screws there are holding that back plate in. I'm wrapped. Brilliant.